Hey, Jonathan here. Just wanted to give you a walkthrough of our web store called treetransformation.com. It's part of EdCore. Here's a photo of Colfax High, our mill, and the projects that we build. There's our logo, and these are the projects that we sell. Right here, we have a cutting board for $20. Right here, we have a ski Tahoe map made out of hand-milled lumber. Here we have earrings at $9, and this is a cool category, a seasonal challenger. Right now we have a laser cut pumpkin in there for Halloween, but we're going to soon change that out for a Thanksgiving project. How the seasonal challenger works is any student who wants can go ahead and post any project they want in here, and we can see how it goes. If you click on any one of these items for sale, it'll take you to that page. You just click add to cart, fully safe checkout. So you could use a credit card. You just hit add to cart. There it is, checkout. And then the options on checkout is you could come by the wood shop, which we would love, and show you around and pick up your item, or we could send it to you and we'll send it priority mail. So that's kind of the web page. Close that up. Where the money goes. Oh, this is a great video showing you what we do at the wood shop. You could click on that. And then where the money goes is it goes to the National Forest Foundation. 10% of all profits go to the National Forest Foundation, helping save Tahoe forests. And a lot of the wood we use is all reclaimed. So that's a cool part of our web page. So again, that's treetransformation.com. Love to show you the shop and buy anything you want off of here and we'll get it to you. Made by kids.